there, welcome to the JavaScript series and I'm Deeksha Sharma from Bonsai Labs. Today we will write some code to see what promise.then do and what can it return. In our previous video, we already learned how to create a JavaScript promise using these two approaches. We will use promise.resolve to create a new promise and call .then method to get the value. Let's say we have a variable p that holds the resolved promise from calling promise.resolve with value hey bonsai. So we can call p.then to get the value from this promise. Now .then method takes a function as argument, and since p is a fulfilled promise, we know there would be some data that we can grab inside here. Inside this function, we log its value. Calling .then returns a new promise. Now this newly returned promise will either resolve to a value if you return something, or resolve to an undefined value if you did not return anything. In this case, I just logged the data on the console, so the resulting promise resolved to an undefined value. Let's try to return, say, the length of the data. We call p.then data and return data.length. Now, in this case, you can see the newly returned promise is resolved to a value of 11, which is the length of the data string. This is a very common confusion when using JavaScript promises. And I hope you understand now how .then works. It will either resolve to a valid value that you returned or will resolve to an undefined value if we do not return anything. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to take your JavaScript knowledge to the next level and want to know and understand how browsers execute JavaScript and the role of event loop, check out our new course which is live. I've added the link in the description below. And friends, keep learning and share your knowledge. I'll see you in the next video.